So I just went on a walk with my mom out in a nature park. Right now I'm just checking social media, uploading the GoPro video. And this will be going up on Monday, the 30th, which is a Memorial Day. A Memorial Day video is going to go up on the 31st. Hopefully we actually go somewhere and do something like we've been talking about. But right now I'm just kind of getting the pictures and stuff ready from the nature walk we just went on, and listening to music, and then I'm gonna shower and get ready because my little brother has a birthday party today at 3. It's currently like 1 o'clock. I don't really have much time to do anything because I have to go help set it up, so whenever we get done and over there, I will probably record some of the birthday party, but it's probably gonna be really fucking annoying because of him and all of his little buddies, so we'll see what we can get into. We're bored. Jordan's shooting these, wait, let me zoom in, these turtles like right above it. We're shooting turtles in my pond, but my little brother, don't worry, this will not kill them. I promise, it will not kill them. It'll just hit their shells. We aren't aiming for their heads, so.
You've already killed one.
No, we hit its shell.
Then why'd it go underwater?
Because it was scared. If you got shot with a BB, would you go underwater if you were a snake or a turtle? Yes.
Well, I'm not a turtle.
Why are you gonna stop singing now? This is BS. Start singing again.
Well, you just did over the fire.
I farted like 7 times at your party. You don't even care.
We out here chilling. We got a fire and some stupid dogs that keep escaping.
I hope
What
that
stupid
bitch got
dog?
away again.
I was hoping she did. But we're just hanging out, having a fire. I'm gonna cook dinner in a little bit.
What you cooking?
I don't know yet.
Chicken.
I ain't cooking shit. Fuck no. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet. And
No,
then
you're not cooking chicken.
I gotta
right?
vlog some more. And then I'll
Pizza.
edit it and put it together.
Pizza. Pizza rolls.
Did you see this?
Yeah.
Do it.